Here the dawn carries the smell of damp earth. Thoughts and glances race toward the vine rows, and fragrances speak more than words. In the hills of Conegliano and Valdobbiadene, every day begins with our hands touching the vines. Our story begins in a small upland area in the Veneto region, where for over 3 centuries the grapes have been grown that become Conegliano Valdobbiadene Prosecco Superiore, DOCG. More than 3,200 families have, from generation to generation, handed down a wine-growing tradition, a tradition intertwined with the history of our land, a legacy made up of skilled craftsmanship and expertise in the cultivation of the Glera grape. This tradition is perpetuated in 8,000 hectares of vineyards, spread across the 15 municipalities of the Denomination, an area whose borders have remained unchanged. During this long history, man has cared for the landscape by preserving the natural morphology of the hills, while the steepness of the zone calls for a heroic viticulture, which requires 850 hours of manual labor per hectare every year.
With dedication and skill, the vine growers tend the rive,
the precipitous slopes on which lie over 4,765 kilometers of grassy terraces. This is a wine region that deserves to be explored. A UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2019. We are the Consorzio di Tutela Conegliano Valdobbiadene Prosecco. Since 1962, we have safeguarded and promoted our region and its main product, a unique, supremely elegant sparkling wine. Quality is our watchword. We are committed to preserving the environment by promoting vine-growing practices that maintain biodiversity. The result is a sparkling wine to be enjoyed with those you care about, in which every sip becomes unforgettable. This is our commitment and our link with history and with the land. This is our voyage amid the refined taste and fragrances of Conegliano Valdobbiadene Prosecco Superiore, DOCG.